First of all, it's not really about perfection. The most important thing is that your flipchart, poster, or any other visual work is readable, clear, and easy for others to see. Remember, nobody can read your mind. So, in this video, you will find some essential principles and advice from a beginner. How to make an imperfect flipchart. First point is marker. These are the best marker to use. Today I'm going to stick with the ones which I really like, and I will be using a classic permanent marker. I think that you should try different types and choose the one that works best with you. And then we have plan. So, make a brief plan of what you really want to convey on your flipchart. Think about what is important and how the elements should be arranged on the paper. Third are letters. So, use appropriate fonts. The best ones are the simplest. Also, make sure your letters are kept in a straight line. And then boxes. Draw boxes after you've already written the words on the paper. It's very important to do it in this order. What happened if you draw the box first? You will probably end up with letters outside the box. Next are colors. Don't use every single color and avoid making a rainbow sheet. If you want to use colors, mix analogous ones like blue and green, orange and red, or blue and purple. They go well together. So avoid mixing complementary colors directly next to each other. For example, green and red, blue and orange, or yellow and purple. A great rule of thumb is to use black as a base color. Then two analogous colors like purple and blue. And one complementary color to draw attention to the most important elements. it's time for people. You can add icons to your flipchart to make it more engaging for your audience. There are many different types of people you can draw. I'll show you a few examples of drawings, but you can imagine many more. And the last part, but not least, is the other section. Others like shadows and shading. For me, this is the most impactful part because it can transform the entire flipchart. But be careful, it's not that easy. Think about the light source. Make sure to apply the same shading direction to every element on the flipchart. Not only shadow and shadings, but also elements like arrows, bullet points, and lines are really important. So it's not always easy, and I am complete beginner in this topic. And this is my work, which isn't perfect as you can see. But from what I've learned, these elements are really important. Sensitivity, it's about touching someone's heart with your drawings. Practice makes perfect, just like with my own work. Also, preparation. You always need to be prepared. Attraction. Your work must be visually appealing and catchy to others. Simplicity. Your icons don't need to be perfect or overly complex. Visibility. Keep it readable and easy to look at. Clear message. Make sure the audience knows exactly what it's about. And the most important, Mistakes are fine, and that is absolutely true. I have some advice from a beginner. So I know it won't be perfect, and I'm okay with that. I can prepare, but sometimes new ideas come to my mind, and I really need to change my plan, and it's also okay. If you don't feel comfortable, try using smaller sheet or paper or making some drawings in your notebook just to practice. And also remember, it doesn't have to be pretty. You can also use digital tools. And finger crossed,